When you hire HelloPro Home Inspections to do your full home inspection, you get way more than just a home inspection. First, we include RecallChek. Our inspectors enter your appliance's make and model numbers into our RecallChek database. From there, RecallChek will keep you notified of any current or future recalled appliances as listed by the CPSC. Next, we include a 90-day warranty that covers structural and mechanical items that were inspected and found to be in good working order. This includes common plumbing components, HVAC equipment, poured concrete and block wall foundations, floor joists, load-bearing walls, and more. Our water and sewer protection plan, SewerGard, covers both main water and sewer collapses and breaks, as well as leaks, for 90 days after the inspection. We also inspect your home for visible mold. Our Mold Safe Accuracy Guarantee covers your home for 90 days if any new mold appears. Our Platinum Roof Protection Plan covers your home's roof for potential future leaks for a full 5 years after inspection. Finally, you are now eligible for an 18-month home warranty at the 12-month price. Administered by Residential Warranty Services, the 18-month home warranty covers many mechanical items, like HVAC equipment and plumbing components, and also covers many items excluded by our competition, such as sump pumps and outdoor faucets. If you have any questions about our included services, contact HelloPro Home Inspections at 864-370-5600 or visit us online at helloprohomeinspections.com.